Hello, my name is Kirill and you're watching FBS Analytics. In this video we are going to discuss how the gold price is going to move during 2022 and what is the global target for the yellow metal. If you are interested in this information, do not hesitate to watch this video up to the end. Let's begin. So first of all, there is an opinion that the gold price have a strong negative correlation with the US key rate. So basically everybody believes that when the US Federal Reserve is going to increase the key rate in 2022, the gold price will definitely move down lower and reach $1,000 per 1 ounce. I think that this opinion is absolutely far from being the truth. As we can see here on the chart, the US key rate has no correlation with the gold price at all. As we can see on this chart, since 2022 up to 2007, the US key rate were growing pretty significant and the gold price was going up as well. After that, in 2000 approximately 9, the US key rate reached around 0%, and in 2013 the gold price went down while the US key rate were staying at the very low. So basically this proves that this opinion has no confirmation, and we need to find something else that will give us which will help us to determine the gold global trend. That's why we've calculated the real federal funds rate. How did we do it, you will ask, of course, and we've calculated it by we've deducted the annualized rate of CPI change from year to year from the key interest rate, and here we can see that the correlation is stronger. So we can see first of all that the blue line, the real federal funds rate, is in strong downtrend while the gold price is definitely going up. And in 2010 we can see that the real federal funds rate were going straight down and we have a huge pump on gold. Afterwards we have a little pump in this indicator, and we can see that the gold consolidated on the very lows. And here in 2019 this indicator dropped and the gold went to the very upwards. So basically we found an instrument which can give us a clue about the gold global trend. So what is going on right now? Right now the US government is going to increase the key rate, so this indicator is going to go a little bit upwards, and we expect that gold is going to consolidate right here around I would say 1500 per 1 ounce. So why this indicator, the real federal funds rate, is going to increase? Because first of all, the inflation going to slow a little bit, plus the key rate is going to be increased by the US government. Why this instrument actually have a correlation? Because this instrument is not just about numbers, it is about the market expectations for the future trends. So the gold price is always moves on market expectations, not real facts. You should always remember that. Only thoughts and future expectations can move the gold price up or down. Among these expectations, other fundamental factors move and affect the gold price. So first of all is the US dollar trend, of course. The second fact is the faith in government, because if US people, the whole world, do not believe in the president, they do not actually believe in the US government, they are going to purchase gold, because gold is hedged from everything, which is not a good situation, of course. And the third one, a fundamental fact, is the trend in risk asset prices. The fourth fact is the trend on the stock market, and the trend in commodity prices is the fifth fact. So if some risk assets, stock market go down, that's the time when the gold rises. And when concerns are rising about the government, gold would like to rise as well. Simple as that. So why we actually believe that the gold is going to make a little bit deep during 2002? Because as we said, the real federal funds rate going to rise a little bit, because the key rate, of course, will rise and the inflation is going to slow down. But we do not think that the global gold trend is going to change, because first of all, we can see that the key rate, every top of the key rate is lower than the previous one, of course. The second thing, we know that in 2002 the Federal Reserve is going to increase the key rate 3 times by 0.25%. In 2023 the key rate is going to be increased 2 times by the exact same percent. So we have that by the end of 2023, the beginning of 2024, the key rate will be around 1.50%, which matches with our trend line, of course. So basically it means that we're not going to the global trend is not going to change in gold. Inflation in the United States is not going to drop lower, or it not going even to reach 2%. Why, you will ask? Because everybody knows that the Federal Reserve, the government of the United States, printed way too much money for the past 2 years. That's why they've reached the inflation almost 7%. And they're not going to return this inflation down to 2% in 2 years. So it means that people are going to hedge their capitals in gold, but with a little correction in the gold price, of course. So let's open the gold price, and what do I have for you right here? So basically, I believe that during the next year, gold is going to go a little bit down, really slowly, really accurate. So it is the best time for daily speculations, because you need to define some key levels and trade using them, because key levels is all that matters on gold right now. And I hope you will benefit in that, and we of course are going to help you to do that in our Telegram channel and so on. The support is 1550, the key support, and we are going to reach this support by, I think, the end of 2022, the beginning of 2023. After that, the people are going to begin thinking what will happen when the US Federal Reserve will stop increasing the key rate. They're going to think about the future. Also, the US president elections will happen in 2022 or 24. Sorry, everybody should know that. That's why concerns about this event will rise. So this will make a huge impact on gold, because as I said, when concerns about government are rising, people begin buying gold. So I believe that until the beginning of 2023, the gold price will go slightly down, but here will be the place where the price is going to reverse. And you'll ask, what is the target for the gold for the 2024? I would say, guys, it is $3,000 per 1 ounce, because the inflation is going to actually damage the US dollar a lot in the future, because we printed too much money and we should somehow deal with that. That's why gold, silver, platinum and other metals are going to gain a lot. I think you guys need to know, all of you need to know that, because somehow you need to hedge your capital, not even in trading but in real life and so on. This is our global prediction for the gold price movement. I hope it will be helpful for you as well. I'm going to post an article on our website so you can actually read the whole information. Maybe you can build your own chart, find your own correlation with the gold price. I hope all this information will be helpful for you. Have a great trading year and trade gold with FBS. Thank you for watching. Bye.